Hey, what up, guys? This is Pastor Kana again. We are coming out with another video, and today we're going to be taking a break from JavaScript, and we're going to be doing a little application with C Sharp. Okay, so we're going to be writing down some user input into a text file. Okay, so let's get it started right here. Please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the videos. We're growing slowly but steady. Okay, all right, so let's just go ahead and start that. So it's going to be a simple application, so we can just do it quick. Console that right lane. So right here we're going to say welcome to the Expense Pro. So yeah, it's going to be user input, but this is going to be kind of like a reimbursement. What is a reimbursement app, something like that, a reimbursement application. welcome to Welcome to expense. Yeah, let's call it expense. This is going to keep track of your expenses. Expense Pro. Yeah, something like that. So right here we're going to say um, the following. Select the type of expense: airplane, car, or Uber. Okay, so now right here we're going to do a string, and then we're going to say variable name transport fare or transfer expense equals to. So right here we're going to say console, kind of like right here is suggesting. Okay, now we're going to do another user input right here. Since they're going to select, right? Select or type or write. Select the type of expense: airplane, car, or Uber. I mean, you don't have to select because we got nothing to select. They just gotta type it. So right here, we're going to say the following. We're going to do a follow-up to the first question. We're going to say how much was for the transportation. Uh, let's put transportation expense. And then right here, so we're going to say double. We're going to say amount equals to convert double. Okay, cool beans. So we're going to say console that read line, the one right here, open close parenthesis, cool beans. So that work. So now we're going to say another expense right here. Enter the food expense, because in here you have to have, when you go on a trip, right, that is paid by your company, you have to have food expenses. So that's what we're just doing, is trade that question right here. Enter the food expense. I'm sorry, I'm getting tired, huh? So we're gonna do another double right here, and we're going to call it food equals convert to double, Yeah, just like that. Cool beans. Now, right here, we're going to have a string, another variable name, we're going to have a path, so we can print it out. So I have my path from my computer. So we're going to be putting this in my C drive. This is my path, but we're going to call it right here. What should we call it? Because I already have a reimburse.txt. Because what it's going to do is going to create a file name, and we have to give it the name of that text file. So let's call it. It's going to be in my desktop. Expense. Yeah, let's just call it expense. Expense.txt. Now, right here, we're going to use the following. We're going to do using. We're going to say string, a string writer, and we're going to do what will be the variable name? Should we just do that suggestion right there? Yeah, bang, let's do that. Okay. So right here, we're going to do write line, and that's where we're going to be printing all the information in the text file. It's going to create a text file by the name expense, and that's where all of this is going to go. So basically all the information, the input, we're going to be doing writing here. So we're going to say we're going to say right here your open closing braces. Right here we're going to pass the transport expense. Yeah, transport expense. Your transport expense was, and then we're going to put right here the amount, which is going to be this amount variable. I'm going to pass that in here. Amount variable. Yep. So let's just do Control D so you can copy the next one. And right here we're going to do food. Your food expense was, and right here we're going to say food. Going to use that variable name right there. Okay, cool. Then we're going to do another D, Control D, and this is going to be the total. Your total, your total expense to be reimbursed is, and then right here we're going to have food. We're going to have amount, which is this one, plus food. It's going to give us the amount, the total amount. Okay. All right, that's pretty much it. So let's run the program. It might take a second. I gotta clean up my computer. There's too much stuff going on my computer, so it's slowing down. Okay, welcome to the Expense Pro. Okay, cool. Select the type of expense: airplane, car, or Uber. So let's just do airplane. Airplane. Okay. How much was the transportation expense? So how much is, let's put 1,750. 1,750. Okay, enter the food expense. My food expense is going to be, man, let's put 250. I went for 3 days. I spent that much money in food. So basically this is going to give me $2,000, right? So they're supposed to go right into the create that file name. So let's go into my desktop, which is everywhere, and let's look for that expense file. So which I can see it right here. It was created at 1:52 a.m. Oh yeah, it's pretty late. Gotta go to bed and see what we have. Let's open it up, and right here, and that's what we have. So it got created. Oh, where? That's not it. It's an Uber expense. I don't need the Uber expense. Okay, right here. So your airplane was 1,750, right? Your food expense was $250, and your total expense to be reimbursed is $2,000. So basically, all the user input and all the expenses that they enter, it got saved, and it got written in this text file. So that's what we have right now. So this airplane, right? We can just do it over. Let's go back. Let's change it really quick. Oh, come on, dude. Come on. So we can do it again. So let's see. Select type of expense airplane. So let's just do Uber. This is going to be the most expensive Uber right here. How much was that Uber transportation? So let's pretend that was like $5,000. That's a one expense. Bricks. So let's pretend that we spend $2,000 in food. So that's a total of 7,000, right? So let's go back and let's look for our file. Let's refresh that. Our expense right here. Let's open it up. And Uber, yeah, was $5,000, and food was $2,000, and then we have a total of $7,000. Wow, that's a lot of money right there, huh? But anyway, guys, so that was pretty much it with this small application. So wanna just to show how to we can write user input in a text file. So which is good. So this is not too bad. This is pretty good. All right, guys. Have a good day, good night, whatever, and I will see you in the next video. Please, peace out. Bye.